This is a beautiful truck. So I'm just doing some video, ladies and gentlemen, of a nice truck here. These have come in very valuable. I've seen these go up Barrett Jackson, Meekum, getting some real good cash going over the block. So these trucks are real nice. What year's your truck?
79.
79, beautiful. Ford Ranger, 79 Ford Ranger, beautiful. Got the two-tone.
Yeah, no, it's a lariat too, which is a little more pricey.
So the lariat, what did it have over just a regular Ford Ranger?
The special interior, the see the lockdown in front. See that little T-handle thing?
Yeah.
T, that's the hood lock.
Okay.
Air conditioning and the 100-mile speedometer. Most of them only came with an 80.
Oh, nice. So the speedometer, the hood latch, the interior, that's awesome. Got a nice vehicle. What's your first name?
Bert.
Bert, thank you for sharing. Here we are at the Connecticut Classic Chevy Car Club Car Cruise. I'm Gary, your host, Cruising with Classic Cars and Hot Rods. And we're here at Dino's on Thursdays. Take a look at this Dodge Demon Challenger, beautiful. Got a supercharged Hemi in here. Modern Muscle is where it's at, and these get big money at the auctions and stuff like that. This one here is done real nice. Black wheels, black bumblebee stripe on the back there. That's pretty cool. Look at that. This is done up nice. In really nice shape, suede interior. We got a couple of Camaros here tonight. And take a look at this boat. This is a beautiful Bonneville. Pontiac Bonneville convertible. These two-door vehicles are larger than four-door vehicles today, even SUVs. Take a look at this trunk. Just gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful Bonneville. Nice and straight. Good body work. Very nice. Here's a modern muscle of Shelby Mustang GT500. He's getting ready to take off. Very nice. And here's a beautiful C3 Corvette. Orange T-tops. We had an 81. This is, what year is this? 75. Stingray, beautiful color. I like this color. Tan saddle interior, just gorgeous. Very nice. Here at Dino's Seafood, we got ourselves a Plymouth Barracuda here. This is cool. Take a look at that. That's kind of fun. So you never know what you're going to get here at the show. This is very nice. Beautiful red interior. I like that extra tack over there. That's pretty cool. I got a buddy of mine has a white one of this and just flipped. As far as color scheme, but very nice. And then the illustrious 63 Corvette split window. Very nice. Beautiful. Great shape. I love this candy apple red. Looks like it's got ghost stripes over here with the beautiful hood, shark hood. Wow. Very nice. Look at that. We do a nice walk around with this car. This is something special. You see these go over the block. They get pretty good money with the 63 Corvette. So very nice. Very nice. Awesome. Here's another. This is a 427. Looks like it's a 4-speed. This is beautiful too. What year is this vet? 67. Very nice. Beautiful shape. There's a Malibu coming in. It's George, president of the Connecticut Classic Chevy, coming in right now. Very sharp. Over here we got ourselves a Pontiac SD 455. Take a look at this thing. My version of the SD 455 Grand Am. Take a look at this. That's pretty cool. Johnny Lightning. And here is something special. Dual quads. Look at that. Chromed out where he wants it. Beautiful. Nice striping. Looks like a pace car, you know? Just gorgeous. Just cool. Special 442 here. This is a beautiful Oldsmobile 442 convertible. Beautiful white and black interior. Just dandy. Very, very nice. Got a little special dice there, but the bodywork and paint is beautiful. Showroom condition, this car. Very, very nice. We had Mr. Producer take a look at this vehicle. This is Monte Carlo. Got an injection port here. Let's take a look at that. This motor's sweet. Old, original condition. Beautiful interior. Well kept. This is, you could tell it got T-tops. Very, very nice. Here's Joe's car. This is the 66 Dart that we saw not too long ago. Joe gave us a nice interview here. How you doing there, Joe? Beautiful car. So here's this beautiful 69 Camaro 327. Got something special over here with this 327 Camaro. This is pretty cool. This is beautiful. I like the color combination. That's a nice color combo. Looks like it's got a beautiful new hood. Very, very nice. 1980 Malibu here. Hello. You're on Cruising Classic Cars and Hot Rods. So this is always a nice car. I had a version of this car. It was a 4-door. My brother called it Dragnet, and it was silver. And it was a nice car. I'm surprised. I got rid of it though and got an SUV. But why I did that, I don't know. I should have kept that car. I'm Gary for Cruising Classic Cars and Hot Rods at the Connecticut Classic Chevy Car Cruise here at Dino's. And stay tuned.